Today we are in the beautiful village of Moorland to see this 100-year-old chocolate box cottage with 3 bathrooms, all the practicalities of a modern build with all of the character of something a little bit older. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Thank you very much for your time in allowing me to show you around this beautiful, beautiful home. If you would like to book a viewing or would like me to come and value your home, please do get in touch. I'll speak to you soon.